Bryony here from Accelerate Auto Electrics and Air Conditioning on the Sunshine Coast. Today we're going to show you one of our top selling reversing cameras. It's this here, an Axis rear view mirror camera kit. This unit features a 4.3-inch display that switches on automatically when the vehicle is put into reverse. It clips over your existing reverse camera, so there's no need for additional cameras or monitors cluttering up the dash. Some of the other features include a touch screen, dual input for a second camera or a multimedia navigation, a dual head camera mount so you can either fit it on a number plate or onto your bumper, and it's got a really great 150-degree wide angle viewing. Once the cameras are wired up, the rear camera will be activated when the vehicle is put into reverse. The camera is installed at the back of the car, usually near the number plate, but the position may be slightly different depending on your vehicle. In our opinion, a rear vision camera is a modern day necessity. They can help to avoid costly repairs for dents and other damage when reversing. If your vehicle doesn't have a reverse camera as standard, this one here is a great option. All in all, this unit covers all your bases and it's suitable for most vehicles and features everything you'll ever need in a reverse camera. If you're looking to get a rear vision camera installed on your vehicle or even on your caravan or camper trailer, give us a call on 1300 227 353, send us an email to info@amae.net.au, or you could just comment below.